Toilet brushes kind of gross me out. I'm Gina with WTI, and that's one of the reasons that I've made the switch to disposable toilet cleaning sets like this one from CiLoN. This kit comes with everything that you need, including a wall mounted bracket. This holds 6 sponges and the handle, and it looks so great. It's small, it can be tucked into a little corner on the wall, and then you don't have that gross looking toilet brush hanging around and reminding everyone of what it's cleaned. There's also no excuses for people in your home to be able to help you out with cleaning because everything's right there. The sponge has all the cleaning solution on it that you need to clean a toilet, and this gives you a totally hygienic and touchless experience. This gets up under the lid, and I use it not just on the toilet bowl itself, but up along the rim, and it gets everything so clean. They even send a little wipe for your wall so that you can clean that prior to putting on the adhesive that holds the bracket to put the wall mounted holder on. I'm so happy with this set, and if you want a clean toilet, you will be too. And that's my point of view.